This is part 2 of section 3.1 for honors geometry. Here's some information about parallel and perpendicular lines. Two lines in the same plane are either parallel or they're going to intersect in a point. So notice these two lines are parallel. These two lines intersect at a point. These two lines intersect at a point. If they live in a plane, those are your two options. They're either parallel or they're going to intersect at a point. Through a point that is not on a line, there are infinitely many lines that could be drawn through that point. Now, exactly one of these lines is going to be parallel to the line that's given, and exactly one of them is going to be perpendicular to the one that's given. And that's kind of what's happening here. It's kind of hard to see because it's already drawn on there. But here's the idea with this. Okay. Oh, well, that looks better. Here is a point that is not on this blue line. Now, how many lines would exist through this point P? You could draw this line, or a line over here, or a line over here, so on and so forth. Only one of these lines, one of the infinitely many lines you could draw through that point, only one of them is going to be parallel to that blue line. That's called the parallel postulate. It's postulate 13. So there's exactly one line that goes through this point P that's parallel to this blue line. Also, remember from that last slide, they're telling you there's infinitely many lines that go through this point that isn't on the blue line. One of them's parallel to it, and exactly one of them's perpendicular to it. There's only one perpendicular line that goes through this point that's perpendicular to this line. Okay, so there's exactly one line through point P that's perpendicular to that blue line.